Okay, students, this is the first year physics syllabus, first lesson. So, the lesson is the physical world. So, this lesson will be contain total 5 very short question answers. So, the weightage of this chapter is only 2 marks. So, the first question is, what is the physics? So now we can write the answer. Definition of physics: the study of the basic laws of the nature and their manifestation in different natural phenomena is defined as physics. So simply we can write physics is a subject. It will be explains nature and natural phenomena. And the second question: what is the discovery of C.V. Raman, or what is the Raman effect? So the answer of discovery of C.V. Raman, we can write simply Raman effect. Or what is the meaning? How we can define the Raman effect? Inelastic scattering in light by molecules. So this is the second answer. So the third question is, what are the fundamental forces in nature? So the fundamental forces in nature are four types. So the fundamental forces in nature are: first one, gravitational force; second one, electromagnetic force; third one, weak nuclear force; fourth one, strong nuclear force. And the fourth question, which of the following has symmetry? So A, acceleration due to gravity; B, law of gravitation. So simply we can write law of gravitation as symmetry. So the B answer is correct. And next one, the last question, fifth question: what is the contribution of S. Chandrasekhar to physics? So in the name of Chandrasekhar, we can write the simple answer: Chandrasekhar limit. Or we can write the another answer of this question: structure and evaluation of stars. So in this one we can write anyone: Chandrasekhar limit or structure and evaluation of stars. So when we can observe the second question and fifth question, so we have the two answers. What is the discovery of C.V. Raman? Raman effect or inelastic scattering in light by molecules. In the same one, the fifth question: what is the contribution of H. Chandrasekhar to physics? Chandrasekhar limit or structure and evaluation of stars. Okay, questions. These are the important and textbook 2 marks very short type answer questions.